Good morning, all of you. Welcome to Regional Meteorological Center, Guwahati. This Regional Meteorological Center is formed from the 7 states. As all of you know that from Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Manipuri, Mizoram, Nagaland, and Tripura, etc. So these are the 7 states are there. So now this regional, coming to the history point of view, this regional meteorological center, the first is formed in the 23rd July 1949. First observatory is formed in the regional meteorological center Guwahati, and later on the number of the observatories are percolated to the 7 states. Now the regional meteorological center Guwahati, that time it was only the meteorological office only. The regional meteorological center Guwahati is formed in the year 1st April 1997. Now Regional Meteorological Center Guwahati contains so many observatories. For example, we are having the 16 number of the synoptic observatories taking the surface observations containing the temperature, wind, rain, then visibility, cloud. In all those things, right now, as of now, we are having the 16 synoptic observatories. In addition to that one, we have the 8 number of the GPS radar sonde, in which 2 are there in the Assam, and then remaining all are there in the remaining 7 states, remaining 6 states of the RMC Guwahati. We have pilot balloon observatory, 8 numbers. We also have the Doppler weather radar for continuously monitoring for the range of 500 kilometers. We have 2 numbers. One is in the Agartala and another is in the Mohanbari. The observations are taken continuously. Synoptic observations we are taking once in 3 hours, so that there will be 8 observations are available. Whereas GPS radar sonde is taken 2 times in a day. That is morning 5:30 hours and then evening 5:30 hours. At all 8 observatories are taken. This GPS radar sonde, we are taking the upper air observations up to the maximum height of 35 kilometers above the earth. This PBO also we are taking. We require the upper air winds 4 times, totally 4 times, in which 2 are covered by the GPS radar sonde, and 2 more observations are to be taken at equal intervals. They are covered with the pilot balloon observatory. Then these are the about observatory structure of the RMC Guwahati. When coming to the weather events, mainly this regional meteorological center at 7 states are mainly associated with the thunderstorm activities, lightning, the floods are there. As you know that Cherrapunji is the highest recording rainfall in all over India. The Cherrapunji is there in the Meghalaya. It records very high rainfall. These are the observations we are taking in continuation to my earlier this thing. So I want to discuss with all of you the plan and activities to be executed in the Northeast India for all the 7 states during the next 1 year to 3 years period. So we basically wanted to have the agro-automatic weather stations. We are planning for around 18 number of agro-automatic weather stations for continuous monitoring of the soil properties at various parts of the Northeast India at the 7 states, in order to know the soil moisture, soil temperature at 4 depths, that is 10 centimeter, then 30 centimeter, 70 centimeter, and 100 centimeter depth. These soil moistures and soil temperatures are very much required for the agricultural community or farming community to plan the agricultural activities in this region. And next we are going for the Doppler weather radars. We are planning to install another 10 Doppler weather radars to get the to cover all severe weather events and to give the better nowcast and better forecast warnings, issue the warnings for the safety of all user agencies. Then we are going for the nowadays what is happening is urbanization. We are going for the urbanization. The most of the urbanization has happened in the Guwahati. So we are going for the 25 number of automatic rain gauge stations within the Guwahati city in order to find out the distribution of the rainfall within the city. This is very much required to know what are the climate changes we are happening within the Guwahati city. This will be extended to the various cities in the northeastern states. We are also going for the we are extending the meteorological services. That means we are forming the meteorological centers at three more states called Nagaland, Mizoram and Manipur. At all remaining states, the meteorological centers are already established. You know, this meteorological center will form as the state meteorological center. They will be responsible for the providing the all meteorological services, forecasting, nowcasting, and everything, instrumentation and all activities related to the weather at that particular state. Now, we also wanted to expand the aviation network in order to cater the all services to the aviation, give this meteorological services to the safety of aviation. We are immediately going for the we are going to install the state of art of the aviation meteorological system at Roopsi, Lengpui, Agartala, Mohanbari, Dimapur, etc. So this will be established within a few months, 1 to 3 months within starting from now, and further we are going to expand the aviation network with the state of art of aviation system at Teju, North Lakhimpur, and Barapani, and several other airports, Udan airports coming under the Udan scheme. This may be Kalashahar, and then Tawang, Pashigat, Lengpui, and many other airports. We are expanding the aviation network, and we are also going for the you know that in some of the states like Arunachal, Nagaland, and Meghalaya, there are the snowfall areas are there in these regions. So we are going for the special number of special automatic weather stations to monitor the amount of the rainfall, amount of the snowfall. The whatever the snowfall is communicated to our server in the RMC Guwahati. One can log on to the server and see what is the snowfall intensity is happening, what is the snowfall accumulated. Once in 15 minutes, one can log on to the site and then they can see. And these are the planned activities. These are the planned activities presently. And apart from this, we are going for the several other instrumentations to cater the complete Northeast India region. And you know this, we are catering all our services to the so many sectors in the Northeast India, that is aviation, agriculture, transport, the power generation companies, the power generation companies, and then we are going for the and many other activities. We are going for the this meteorological services. Thank you.